learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, it's all about what are you doing later, where are you going later, what to do later. Later, 等一下怎么说呢？
等一下，
等一下，
或者是等下。
等下 OK。你为什么一直在擦防晒乳啊？
当然要擦。
你等一下要去哪里？
我等一下要去海边玩。
你看，马上就可以应用了，就感觉你好像要去哪里玩哦。I was asking Alice, how come she's putting on some suntan lotion? It feels like she's going somewhere, and she said she's going to the beach. So let's put you in the scenario then, OK? 你等一下要去哪里呀？
等一下。
等一下。
我去哪里呀？
我去哪里呀？我去哪里这常常教就是要去哪里啦。
要去哪里啊
OK, that means where are you going later, all right?
我要去海边玩啦。
好羡慕哦。OK, how do you say that? 我要去海边玩 I'm going to the beach.
我去海顺了啦。
海顺了啦，海顺就是海边的意思嘛，然后了要玩嘛，
就是玩咯。
对啦，张来了的了嘛。
对。
OK, 海顺 means the ocean side or the beach, right? 哇，外面很热，小心别中暑喽。
哇，
很好教啊，哇。OK.
我不会懂热，
我不会懂热，
生意莫热到，
生意莫热到。
就是不要中暑，
别热到了，
对
不对？别中暑，莫热到，热到就是中暑 heat stroke。
那还有一种讲法是生意莫不洒哦，
生意莫不洒哦，不洒也是中暑的意思吗？
就是中暑，就像人家不是要刮痧吗？
好像刮痧不洒，
对，不洒。
OK， 其实这里面有好多单词我知道，比如生意就是小心嘛 ，that means be careful。然后热 means 热，好热 means so hot。OK，so again the whole phrase means it's so hot outside, don't get a heat stroke. Okay. All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as 海边。海顺 ，OK， 这就是 ocean side， 但是海滩也是一样，就是海顺那样子，就海边了 ，OK。Even though it literally means like the ocean side, but it also refers to the beach as well. OK, that's 海边，海顺。And then 热 ，so hot。热。OK， 那如果是冷的话是冷，对 ，that means cold, and 热 is hot, and then finally be careful， 要小心。生意 ，OK， and it's all about teaching you 等一下 later，
等一下
or 等下。That does it for today's Practical Hakka。
是母太家，
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.